What's going on YouTube? It's a little dark in here just because it's a little dark outside. We got a good rainy day, flash floods, all that. Just another update. I went ahead and got some sheetrock. It's 43 sheets, 4x12s. According to the guy I talked to, it's not gonna be enough, but it'll be enough to get me started. I'm just wrapping up the insulation. I'm almost done. I should finish up today. It's kind of hard to see. There's a few spots that I'll finish, but I don't know if I'm gonna do the sheetrock myself. There's a guy that's gonna do it, but he's kind of high. So yeah, just a little bit of an update. It's been slow, but I'm hoping after the plumbing and sheetrock, I'll do the floors, and then we should be a lot farther along. But yeah, I'm ready for it to be done. Half of the house is complete, but it's so tight with 5-6 people living in there. So anyway, it's just a little update day, rainy day. So if anybody does start watching these videos, just comment and let me know what y'all would like to see. If y'all want to see a I don't know what it would be called, just a video of me doing some of the stuff, clippets of it, I'll try and do that. Get me a tripod or something, that way I can just set my phone up. But yeah, these were some heavy sheets. The people from Lowe's said they weighed 3,300 pounds in total. So I don't know about y'all, but some days it's tough coming out here by yourself. You need a good hand to help you and keep you entertained. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Until next time, see y'all later.